DIY recipe for preparing hair oil using fresh amla, fresh bhringraj, and coconut oil at home. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh amla, Indian gooseberry, chopped. 1 cup fresh bhringraj leaves, false daisy. 2 cups organic coconut oil. Instructions: wash and dry the amla and bhringraj leaves thoroughly. Chop the amla into small pieces and make some paste of bhringraj leaves. In a pan, heat the coconut oil over low heat. Add the chopped amla and bhringraj leaves paste to the warm oil. Simmer the mixture on low heat for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Make sure the oil doesn't smoke or burn. Remove from heat and let the mixture cool completely. Once cooled, strain the oil through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean, dry glass bottle. Store the oil in a cool, dark place. If you want, you can add some vitamin E and castor oil to make it more beneficial to use. Massage a small amount into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least an hour or overnight before washing. This homemade hair oil can help nourish your scalp and hair, potentially promoting hair growth and overall hair health.